hundreds of workshops, the most highlighted thing was using an egg to connect to spirit, because it showed the person how easy it was to connect once you are the source, or once you are that energy and connected to that energy that's part of the universe, and spirit can easily talk down. So using an egg is a marvelous way because it's a living. So anything that has the energy, any object that has the energy of the source in it, which is nearly all objects, but something living like an egg or something like a crystal that's been in the ground for millions of years, has got that extra energy. So connecting to an egg and then merging with the egg means that you become one with the source, or the energy that is connected to spirit. And this is the secret, really. Once you align yourself with your mind, body and spirit, with the universe, or with the connection, then it's a lot easier to get messages. It's a lot easier for spirit to talk, because remember, spirit need energy. And so if you are the pure energy, or like heaven's energy, or you're that connection, then it's so much easier. So what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to do a little demonstration using an egg, just to show you that you can connect. And all you have to do is use your 5 senses, and then merge with the object, and then utilize a visualization technique so that your brain will know the object so it can switch off, and then you can communicate and allow spirit to talk to you. Okay, so demonstration time. Did you work out which one I chose? It's the egg. Okay, so basically just showed how it works. Okay, so I'm connecting with the egg. I'm using my senses: feel, touch, taste. Very nice. I'm only kidding. All right, as I become one with the egg, I've expanded the egg's energy, become one with the egg, and I ask for spirit to give me some information. Okay, so I open and close my eyes, and there I have the egg. Okay, so the first picture I got was cracked. The egg was cracked. So what does that mean to me? That it's cracked on the outside, but inside it was perfect. So my worry of not being perfect on the outside is a message from spirit. Okay, so I go back now to the egg being cracked and ask it to go, and then they show me a tree. Okay, and the tree is blossoming and it's perfect and it's deep rooted. So I ask my heart, what does the tree mean? The tree means that I basically have got to get reconnected to nature, to realize that I'm already perfect as I am, and that basically for me to grow I need to connect everything, the mind, the body and the spirit, is what they're telling me. Okay, little bit easy for me because obviously they talk to me as well. All right, okay, so I go back to the tree and they're showing me a car, which is very strange. Okay, so what does the car mean to me? This is how it comes in random. Okay, all right, so the car is driving really fast. Okay, and they're telling me to slow down. Everything happens at the right time. Everything happens for a reason. And so all I need to do is just enjoy the journey. All right, so let's look back. We've got the cracked. We've got the tree, which could be growing as well. So we've got the cracked, which is showing it on the outside. So this is part of the story. And they're telling me not to, just to bide my time, wait for the right moment. Okay, so then in the car, and then I see my nan. So sometimes you might get a picture of the person who's giving you the message. So this is obviously my nan, because she's also got a sign or a symbol for me. When I know she's around, she gives me a shake like she used to do on the earth. Okay, so she's showing me a beautiful picture, and she's showing me that everything is going to be like nature. It's balanced, cleansed, feeling good and enjoying life. So that is the message, that all those things come together, and I just need to keep getting my mind, body and spirit together, keep cleansing, and soon I will enjoy and celebrate seeing a beautiful sunset. So thank you, Nan, for coming through. Love you loads, do miss you, and I will speak to you again.